Right, many people said that the video idea I did on February 25th was very helpful, so I'm going to do a continuation. So let's get back to my BTC support and resistance chart. So this week I have done a little addition. I have added volume, which called the VRVP volume range visual profile. So this is a kind of a common indicator used by many people. So something what I'm trying to understand from here is where the people are buying or selling most of their assets. So you can see the previous ATH has been a very popular place to people to interact, right? Even during this season, right? You can see, but when I change this will slightly change, but it will be in the same area, right? So again, what I said yesterday, what I said was I showed the demand zone, and yep, the price is slowly coming towards this demand zone on the weekly time frame. And but I don't see a much of a big uh, change on the RSI. So that's something good. That positive means this is most probably than a sell off, a profit taking, because we had a nice run from 15,000, 16,000 range to 22,000. So people are taking profit. That's something is very common in market. So let's go to the daily time frame. Something I clearly said last week was about this diagonal support line. Yep, this blue diagonal support line, which has worked as a major support like I intended. Like I said, the price has come into this diagonal support and it's taking a little bit of a support here. So that's why we call it support, because it has support. So it's still the support has not violated, but uh, looking looking at the market data, market structure, where the DXI index is going strong and the gold is dumping, I would say there's a higher possibility of this is getting violated. If this get violated, next supply demand zone will be here, which I marked, right? So let's see whether this support can hold or whether this we get violated and price will come 21,000, because my prediction was last time was that we might see this 21,000 being honored again, right? So that is what I see on a daily structure, and you can see RSI is slowly coming towards oversold area, right? So that was my expectation. We haven't seen a oversold RSI in daily time frame since November. Now it is November 1st, November, December, January, February. Yep, we are closing in 4 months since we saw last one. So most probably April, yeah, April, May, or maybe towards the end of March, we might see a oversold situation from daily time frame. It's highly possible. So that is something where I'm waiting to get my get some to new bitcoins into my portfolio, right? And then let's go and look into the forward daily frame, right? Yep. For our daily frame, we are having a nice little oversold situation and a crazy RSI. And you can see there was this support line which I kind of drew while back, where based on this support, and now what I'm seeing is this support has kind of turned into a resistance where the price was dumped through the support through a very single candle, and then I think this is more of the silvergate situation, right? And then prices, you know, like about now for a little period, few days, 2 days, I think, the price doesn't have a direction, and we can see a nice little candle which has clean up the both sides. Like they have cleaned up the shorters by going up, and the longers by going below. It's just happened. This is a crazy candle, right? So we are still having a list of ambiguous candles going off, as it's not showing any direction, proper direction. So these are times I like to keep out of trading. If I'm trading, I'm not much of a trader, but for a trader, what I would say is keep out of trading, right? So this, I don't see a clear RSI resistance at the moment. Yeah, we can make one, but I would little wait for a little more time to come up with a resistance here. So this is what I'm seeing, right? So this is what I see, right? So that concludes my session today. If you have any questions, feel free to uh, jot down in the comment section, and when I'm free, I'll have a look. Thank you. Have a nice day.